So should you apply for a fiance visa or a tourist visa? Hi, I'm attorney Megan Pastrana, the attorney for lovers, and my firm, Immigration for Couples, is dedicated exclusively to helping couples across the nation and across the world in navigating the U.S. immigration process. I decided to talk about this topic specifically because this is a question I have been asked so much over the past few weeks. There's so many rumors out there about what's better, the tourist visa or the fiance visa. And I have three tips or three pieces of information you should be aware of as it relates to this question. So the first tip or the first piece of advice that you should know that you should understand is the difference between a tourist visa and a fiance visa. So the tourist visa, as it sounds, is meant for tourism purposes, for you to come to the United States for a short visit, like to go to Disneyland. And a fiance visa, as it sounds, is for couples who are engaged, who are wanting to come to the United States and get married and start the next chapter of their lives. So that's the first piece, is to understand that difference. The second piece of information that I want you to be aware of is that tourist visas are very difficult to get approved. They're more often than not denied. US immigration is very careful on who they give tourist visas to because they are concerned with individuals having an intention to come and live here. And that's not the purpose of a tourist visa. And then the third piece of advice, or the third thing that I want you to be aware of, is that if you are engaged, if you and your significant other, you're ready to start that next chapter, you're in love, if that is your goal, then it's really important that you get started on the fiance visa path. All too often, I see couples who read things online and rumors and hear they should apply for a tourist visa, only to have that set them back many, many months because they'll schedule this tourist visa interview 4 or 5 months from now. They'll go to that interview and the consular officer will say, "Oh, you're going to see your fiance? Well, I'm going to deny this tourist visa and I'm going to tell you that you need to apply for a fiance visa." So that's my third tip for you to be aware of, is if you both get on the same page and that is your goal, please don't waste time on a tourist visa. Get started with that next step of the fiance visa process. If you'd like to learn more, I invite you on over to my free resource center at immigrationforcouples.com. Thanks for watching.